We can then later delete these lines we used to trim. Okay. I've just deleted the line. Let's delete it. Now we can just put another one later. So we are done with this part, and what you're going to do next is putting the distributions or the shear bars, the shear hooks. So the hooks will be starting on this point, so we are just put the hooks, and then according to my calculations we are going to place it at 100 inside, and on the other side we are going to use 200 to 300 because on the middle or the span, at the span there's not a lot of tension, so it's not necessary to use more distribution bars, but for here we have to use 100 on the distribution. So by creating this line, we will first select it, and the next thing we will right click on your mouse, then go to move and multiply. Here you are going to change to spread, and we are going to space at 100 mm and rotate path. So then click OK, select a point, then just move on the direction or the horizontal direction to where you want to finish this spread out, in which will be quarter the span. So there we go. We have the spreads, and later on we are going to select another one, so we can just right click and go to multiply. We have just set it to 200, select a point and then show the direction, and which at this point will end somewhere there. And now on the next thing, I think we are down with drawing the reinforcement and the covers on this other side. So we are going to draw on this grid line, and which is grid line C, and we also copy them to the other parts, so it will be that easy. Next thing, we are going to have a line here, and then by removing that this side on this side, and 200. Yeah, this is the cover. And because the cover now will end here, we are going to just decrease somewhere there, and we will not need this part. So the portion of this bar, I think it will end somewhere here. I'm just now just do the assumptions, but we can use the real measurements later. this will cut on this point, so yeah, we are going to delete this other part by control and then remove this part. Then we are going to adjust this so that we can later use as those distribution bars on end of the span. So the next thing, here we're gonna have a joint. We want to create a joint in this part, and I will show how I do it. The joint is very simple, so we first select this reinforcement and then we copy that distance. So what we are going to do is by removing, put it at 100, then look for a point B. Somewhere there, then it will just go over to somewhere here. On the detailing, we are going to remove some of them, so we won't be pressured with it. How can we deal with? So we are going to create this junction here, and it is very simple. So first we will create two lines that will pass through, and these are the lines that will intersect. So by doing that, because this is the line, this is the bar that go up, and the other one, yeah, at an angle. So by doing that, we are going to split it by removing this line. We don't need this, sorry, but we can use it to split. Then later we delete it by removing this whole line. I'm going to select it and delete. Select and delete. So we have to create a node here so that we can also cut. And here you get the junction. This is the tension bar. It will come all over to here, and it will later end somewhere there. So this is how it is done, guys. We can keep now repeating the detailing, but this I've just done it according to my designs. And the tensions, make sure these bars, I think I've just done a mistake here. They have to be somehow intersecting. You know, the best way is by giving it an hook of this angle at an angle here. But for now, let's leave it like this, and it is very perfect. So these are the bars the covers that we are done, just grade B and C, but you can still do it on the other parts. So I think, guys, for this video we can stop it here, and we will continue on the next video. So please subscribe, let's support things.